Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Do you want to know how to get healthy, moisturized, glowing skin with a DIY made from the convenience of your own kitchen? If so, I will show you how coming up next. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. As a part of my Look Like Where You're Going series with a healthy mind, body, and spirit, today I am bringing you my recipe to get healthy, glowing, moisturized skin, all in what I am calling my head to toe moisturizing body butter. Yes, everyone, this butter you can use for your hair, your body, as well as your skin. But today we are going to focus on the body. The ingredients for this butter are all in what I am calling my basket of goodies. And I will list them in the order of ratio, starting with my mango butter, followed by shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. And by the way, everyone, I will also leave the list of these ingredients in the description below, along with where I actually purchased them. My castor oil. And now for the essential oils. Oh, sorry, one more oil, and that is sea buckthorn seed oil. And now for the essential oils. I use frankincense and myrrh, if I can find them in my little basket here. Yes. We have the myrrh and the frankincense. And this is what I use for the base. Now, what I will also do, depending upon what mood I'm in, I will also add some other essential oils to fragrance them. And a lot of times what I will do is I will use lavender, bergamot, and ylang ylang. And I also have a lot of other essential oils too that I experiment with, but for today's purposes, these are the ones that I will be using. Now for the tools, now that we've gotten past the ingredients, now for the tools, which are right behind me, so I'm going to get out of the way. We have a bowl that we're going to mix the ingredients in, a pot that we're going to use as a double boiler to melt the butters. We have a knife to cut the butter, measuring spoons, a spatula. We have a blender to whip the butter, and then also a container to put the butter in once it is complete. As I add each one of the ingredients to this recipe, I will also display on the side the benefits of each one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and set some background music to set the DIY butter making mood. I also, because I am so into aromatherapy, I am also going to light one of my candles that I've got from Bath and Body Works. So awesome, y'all. I'm going to set that. And then also, last but not least, my coffee, y'all. So let's get to making this butter. I like to have a relaxing atmosphere when I create, and this candle helps do the trick. It smells so good, y'all, and it has a fantastic throw. And I purchased it from Bath and Body Works. And if you're interested, I will leave the information in the description below. Now, for the first butter that I am going to add to my product, is mango butter, which is an exotic skin softening and soothing moisturizer that is great alone or as an ingredient in hair and skincare products as I've used here. The texture is a creamy, rich emollient that melts on contact with the skin. Mango butter nourishes your skin and boosts its elasticity as well as suppleness, thereby reducing the appearance of fine lines and tightening skin for a firmer appearance. Mango butter is also known to boost skin's luster and natural radiance while reducing the appearance of dark spots. Next up is shea butter, which is known to be a skin superfood that nourishes the skin to promote its clarity and addresses problems such as dryness, blemishes, dark spots, discolorations, stretch marks, and wrinkles without clogging pores. High concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins make shea butter an ideal cosmetic ingredient for softening skin. Shea butter also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties, and using shea butter on your body, especially your face, can condition, tone, and soothe your skin. And next for the coconut oil. Coconut oil is predominantly composed of saturated fats, which work to repair your skin's natural barrier and soak in the moisture. By keeping your skin cells hydrated, your skin retains a nice, smooth surface. After combining these butters, I gently melt them over a pot of hot water so that I retain their natural goodness. The last thing that you want to do is to invest in good ingredients just to burn out their beneficial properties. And look at this liquid gold. This is going to be so good. Now I put this on a bowl of ice to cool it down as I add my other oils. Next, I get my measuring spoon so I can measure out the remaining oils. First, starting with grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is good for your skin because it is rich in polyunsaturated fats, which can help to fight inflammation and provide hydration, as well as the antioxidant vitamin E. Studies show that thanks to these nutrients, applying this oil topically, whether using it as a moisturizer, massage oil, or carrier oil, may have effects such as reducing acne, hyperpigmentation, and more. Applying this oil to your face or body can help to maintain normal skin moisture and have soothing effects. Next is the sweet almond oil. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin cells healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. The fatty acids help your skin retain moisture, and sweet almond oil also promotes smooth, youthful, blemish-free skin by boosting collagen production and keeping it hydrated and supple. Next is the olive oil, which is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalane, making it superb for hair, skin, and nails. Just like coconut oil, it is an essential in any DIY recipe. Next is castor oil. The essential fatty acids that castor oil contains help in restoring the skin's natural moisture balance. Sea buckthorn oil. The berries from sea buckthorn oil contain up to 12 times the amount of vitamin C in oranges. Thanks to all those vitamins and minerals, sea buckthorn can promote the overall health of the skin by boosting elasticity and hydration, reducing inflammation, preventing dryness, improving blood circulation, as well as fighting acne. Now, after thoroughly combining these oils, I can remove it from the ice bath. Now a little test of the oil, and as you can see, it is rich. Now for my essential oils, starting with myrrh. Used topically, myrrh essential oil facilitates the fading of unwanted blemishes on the skin, soothes itchiness, and reduces symptoms of eczema, among other skin ailments. It effectively cleans, moisturizes, and tightens the skin, thereby reducing and preventing further chapping, cracking, and sagging. And it looks like I am adding the entire bottle of this oil, but I'm not. It has a slow drip. In all actuality, I'm only adding 10 drops. Next is frankincense. When used topically and cosmetically, its astringent and cytophilic qualities help frankincense oil reduce the appearance of wrinkles and skin imperfections such as discoloration. It stimulates the growth of new cells, and when used on cuts, it promotes faster healing. And bergamot. Coming from the citrus family, bergamot oil can balance the natural oils in our skin and prevent future breakouts by keeping the sebum production balanced. At the same time, when blended with a powerful carrier oil, bergamot can soothe dry skin, reduce inflammation, redness, and it can also moisturize. And along with that, it smells wonderful. Now, after thoroughly combining all these oils, it is ready for the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And now it is ready. And as you can see, the texture is perfect for blending. Only about 1 minute, this mixture has become so creamy. I will continue to mix this thoroughly until everything is combined and creamy, and all the while getting a little bicep and tricep workout, which I am not complaining about. And look at that butter, creamy, rich, and moisturizing. And ready to put in its container. Do y'all see this butter? Oh my gosh, this thing is ready for market. Absolutely body delicious. I love it. And this is why you use a plastic spatula, just to ensure that you get every drop of this delicious butter. You don't want to waste any of this. Doesn't that look good? I think my expression says it all. Okay, everyone, now for the finished product. This luscious, moisturizing body butter that will just make your skin glow and healthy. Let's just give it a test right here. Wow. So my skin goes from what it is right now to this. Y'all, do you see that glow? This is amazing. And my skin is soft and silky as well. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You have got to try this right away because this, like I said, it will just transform your skin, absolutely transform your skin. Yes, love it. Once again, this is my Deborah's DIY Moisturizing Head to Toe Butter. Give it a try right away. And again, I mentioned this at the top of this video. All the ingredients that I use to make this butter are in the description as well, along with where I purchased these. So, everyone, thank you again for joining me today. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, and press that notification button so that you will always be informed of when I upload new content. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me.